Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you a quick tip for removing crystals where they are not going to go flying all over the room when you try to clip them off. We're going to need cuticle nippers. This is an old pair that I've already gotten dull and ruined. Grocery store bag. Just open this up. Try to give yourself a bit of room, like so. Okay, you just put your hand in the bag. Of course you can't see what I'm doing here, but the farther you can get it in there and still see, the better. Let me see if I can move this down. Okay, and then you just do your clipping inside of here. Let's see if I can do this in a better way so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, ideally you want your hand to be farther in the bag, but for filming reasons I'm going to go from here. And you just clip your stones off with the nipper, and when they go flying around, the bag will contain them and they will not be all over the place. You won't have to spend time looking for them to clean them up, and that's all there is to it. Clip them right off. Now I learned this hack from somebody else on YouTube a couple years ago. I don't remember what her name is, but I use this all the time. It works great. And that's all. Hope it helps you.